Hey everyone, welcome back to the Daily Past, where we dive into the most fascinating stories from history, science, and beyond. And today we're talking about something that might just blow your mind. It's a bit of a head scratcher, so get ready. You might have heard the claim, but let me just say it out loud. A dam in China is slowing down the Earth's rotation. Yep, you heard me right. NASA actually says it's happening. And we're not talking about some big change here, more like a tiny delay. But still, it's something we've never really considered before. So how does a dam cause the Earth to spin a little slower? And why is this happening? Let's take a closer look. First things first. What dam are we talking about? Well, it's the Three Gorges Dam, a massive hydroelectric project that spans the Yangtze River in China. You've probably heard about it, since it's one of the largest dams in the world. It's about 2.3 kilometers long and stands 185 meters high. That's a pretty serious piece of infrastructure. But here's the thing. Holding back all that water? It's not just generating energy, it's affecting the planet. You see, when water is stored in such a massive way, it changes the distribution of mass on Earth. And that shift affects how the planet spins. This phenomenon is called moment of inertia. If you've ever watched an ice skater spin, you've seen this in action. When they pull their arms in, they spin faster. And when they stretch them out, they slow down. The same principle applies to Earth, though on a much larger scale. Now NASA came out with some fascinating research. They claim that, since the dam began operating, the Earth's rotation has slowed down by 0.06 microseconds. A microsecond is 1/1,000,000th of a second, so we're talking a tiny delay here. I mean, it's not like we're gonna feel a longer day or anything, but it's significant in terms of the planet's balance. This shift in mass from the water behind the dam affects Earth's spin ever so slightly. And while it's really small, it's still the first time we've seen something like this coming from a human-made structure. But here's the kicker. It gets even more interesting. You see, the Three Gorges Dam isn't the only massive project China is working on. In fact, they're currently building another huge dam near the India border. This new project will be the largest dam on the planet and could have an even bigger impact on Earth's rotation. The dam is in a region that's both politically sensitive and geographically unique, so there's a lot of interest surrounding it. And of course, as with any project of this scale, it could lead to even more unexpected consequences, like maybe an even greater shift in the planet's rotation. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out, but it's something to think about. Now, don't get me wrong, the change we're seeing right now is incredibly small. Even NASA admits that a delay of 0.06 microseconds isn't something we'll notice in our daily lives. It's not like our days are getting longer, or our clocks are going to need adjusting. But the fact that it's happening at all, well, it's a reminder of just how interconnected we are with the natural world. We've built these colossal structures, like the Three Gorges Dam, to harness power and control nature. But we don't always stop to think about the broader effects. It's like when you make a small change in one part of your life, maybe you move something heavy on a shelf. It can throw off the balance of everything around it, even if it's not immediately obvious. So let's recap. The Earth's rotation is slowing down, but only by a tiny fraction. And that's mostly due to natural causes like tidal friction, with a little help from human activity. The Three Gorges Dam is the main culprit here. But as China builds more massive projects like that new dam near the India border, who knows how this could evolve? And this brings us to an interesting question. How much should we, as humans, be concerned about these changes? Sure, this delay won't affect your day-to-day life, but what if these changes start to accumulate? Could they have more serious consequences in the future? Or is this just another example of how humans are always affecting the world, whether we realize it or not? I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Do you think big dams and other massive projects like this will continue to affect the planet in ways we can't predict? Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation going. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily Past for more amazing stories from history, science, and beyond. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep watching the Daily Past.